truthful to mga real life events na nakikita natin. So actually it's very sad na it's very dark because it's more realistic. Yun talaga ang nakikita natin araw-araw ngayon sa dyaryo, sa news, sa TV. So yeah, naging ganun talaga yung subject matter.
Pero ano yung mga nakuha niyo reactions from the audience, especially you're exposing a different kind of truth, and also you mentioned that for this film you actually went to see a real life killer to interview para mas maging makatotohanan ng film.
Yeah, we did that. Dennis and I did that. Dennis came with me against my own wishes. I told him ayokong huwag kang pupunta, huwag kang sasama sa akin. But it was a mistake to tell him in the first place. Kasi pag gustong gawin ni Dennis, hindi mo siya mapipigilan talaga. And then when we got to the location, nagpasalamat ako na nandun si Dennis. Kasi natakot talaga ako. Like when we got to the location, sabi ko, hintayin kita. Nauna ako dun sa location. Tapos inintay ko yung kotse niya. Nung dumating siya, tsaka lang kami pumasok dun sa building. Tapos buti na lang kasi yung source namin, yung interview namin, dapat isa lang siya. Pagpasok namin ng kwarto, nagdala rin siya ng kaibigan. Sabi ko, ako rin nagdala ng kaibigan. 2-on-2 tayo. So, safe. It turned out to be very safe. They turned out to be very friendly. Pero, it's part of the, we also, ako naman, on the other side, we also interviewed mga ex-police, mga retired. And we tried to be as truthful as possible, not just to the subject matter, but to the characters. Gusto namin, very grounded yung mga characters.
Okay, and on a lighter side naman.
Kasi, light lang yun, okay lang.
Kasi yung, syempre, all-out action. But, do you still have that signature na makapagsingit din ng, let's say, a witty scene din, na lalo makapagdagdag sa intensity ng movie?
Diretsuhin mo na, witty ka pa dyan eh. Steamy ba? Ganon? Are you trying to...
Pwede.
Yeah.
Steamy or pwede rin comedy or...
Kala ko naman, inosente pala naman siya. Ako lang ang madumi isip ko. Go direct.
Naku, makikita nyo lahat yan. Nasa pelikula lahat yan. And I think, para sa amin naman, hindi naman namin kinalculate yon na parang, kailangan dito merong kakatapos lang ng action scene, so kailangan may love scene. Wala namang ganon. It's just that, nandun yung latag ng kwento. And there were, medyo nabigla nga kami kasi may mga ibang moments, ang lakas ng reaction ng tao, tawa sila ng tawa. Na nung sa script at saka nung sinushoot namin, hindi naman nakakatawa sa amin. Pero some of the biggest reactions we've gotten, hindi namin, we did not intend for those moments to be that funny. Pero ganun talaga eh, any movie takes on a new life pag pinakita mo na sa audience. Kaya nga very thankful kami na with the support of Star Cinema that a lot more people will get to watch it starting tomorrow.
Director nag-provide ng comedy or the comic.
Well, of course sila Gerald kasi Gerald Napoles, Nico Manalo. Even if Nico Manalo's scenes are very dark, they can't help sometimes but be really witty or really funny because they're really good. Yun talaga yung yung personality nila, and they're very good theater actors. So minsan kapag talagang humihirit na yung mga yan, sometimes even off script, I still include it kasi natural sila.
Okay. Thanks, Direk. More questions? Go ahead. Can you share the mic, please? Kay FPJ, andun ang mic. Ayun. Hindi ka na magtatanong, hawak mo mic. Chika! Go ahead, Lay.
Hi po, I'm Rowena Sanchez from StarCinema.com.